कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, ये जहाँ चीज है क्या लोह कलम तेरे हैं। I'm Aina Bilal from grade 4 grade. Respected ma'am, teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to present a speech on 12th Rabi Awwal, the wandering day in the history of Islam. The month of Rabi Awwal is well known for all Muslims. 12th Rabi Awwal is the one of important days in Islamic history because this is the birth of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was born on 12th Rabi Awwal on Monday in Makkah in the year 570 in the Gregorian calendar. Muslims all over the world celebrate this occasion every year with peace and properties. 12th Rabi Awwal is a public holiday in Pakistan and it is celebrated all over the world with a great peace. ऐसे वैसे यहाँ फ्लाक लिए फिरते हैं, ऐसे वैसे यहाँ फ्लाक लिए फिरते हैं, दामनी सीध में हम हाक लिए फिरते हैं। लोग हर रोज बदलते हैं ताल्लुक का लिबास, लोग हर रोज बदलते हैं ताल्लुक का लिबास और हम एक ही पोशाक लिए फिरते हैं। The mosque play with a vital role in the celebration of day. Special bayans, lectures and religious speeches are conducted to aware. जन्नत में लेके जाए की चाहत रसूल की. Allah bless us with the perfect mentor in the form of Hussain Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Were not to come to us then, we lead to the gloom of darkness. He had the poor and needy. He came out of us from darkness. He lead us to the right path, a path of harmony, unity, peace. He teach the lesson of forgiveness. I would like to end my speech with these lines. वो जो गीत तुमने सुनाए नहीं मेरी उम्र बढ़कर याज़ता, वो जो गीत तुमने सुनाए नहीं मेरी उम्र बढ़कर याज़ता, मेरे दर्द की थी वो दास्तां जिसे तुम हंसी में उड़ा गए। वस्सलाम।